Hello students, how are you? Students, today I am going to explain second part of the lesson. Now listen. A door opened and closed. In the passage behind her, a musty smell emerged. Students, while Margaminko was introducing herself to Mrs. Darling, in order to make herself recognize her, a door in the passage behind Mrs. Darling opened and closed. When the door was opened and closed, then a stale smell was produced. I regret I cannot do anything for you. Even after accepting that she recognized Margaminko, Mrs. Darling refused to talk to her, and she said that she was sorry, she could not do anything for her. I have come here especially on the train. I wanted to talk to you for a moment. At this, Margaminko said that she had reached her house especially by the train, and she wanted to talk to her for a moment. It is not convenient for me now, said the woman. I cannot see you at a time. At this, Mrs. Darling told her that it was not suitable time for her to talk to her, and she suggested that she might come next time. She nodded and cautiously closed the door as though no one inside the house should be disturbed. After that, she closed the door very carefully as though no one inside the house should be disturbed. I stood where I was on the step. The curtain in front of the bay window moved. Someone stared at me and would then have asked what I wanted. Oh, nothing, the woman would have said. It was nothing. After the door being closed, the writer stood where he was on the step, and then she saw that the curtain in front of the projected window moved, and someone stared at her. And then that person who was staring at Margaminko would then have asked Mrs. Darling what Margaminko wanted. At this, Mrs. Darling answered, "Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. It was nothing." I looked at the nameplate again. Darling, it said in black letters on the white enamel, and on the jamb a bit higher, the number 46. Margaminko is saying that she looked at the nameplate again. Darling was written in black letters on white enamel, white nameplate, and just above Darling, number 46 was written. As I walked slowly back to the station, I thought about my mother who had given me the address years ago. While the writer was moving towards the station, she was lost in his imagination. She started thinking about her mother, who told her about the address before years. It had been in the first half of the war. I was home for a few days, and it struck me immediately that something or other about the rooms had changed. I missed various things. The writer Margaminko was lost in his imagination, and she was thinking about the past. It was a time of first half of the war. During first half of the war, when Margaminko stayed at home, she found that many things of her rooms were missing. When she asked her mother about the missing things, then her mother was surprised. Her mother was surprised and said that she took notice the missing things quickly. Then she told me about Mrs. Darling. I had never heard of her, but apparently she was an old acquaintance of my mother, whom she had not seen for years. When Marga Minko asked her mother about the missing things, then her mother told her about Mrs. Darling. She had never heard about Mrs. Darling, but she apparently knew that she was her mother's old friend, whom she had not seen for years. Whom her mother had not seen for years. Miss Marga Minko had never heard about Mrs. Darling, but she apparently knew that Mrs. Darling was her mother's old friend, whom her mother had not seen for years. She had suddenly turned up and renewed their contact. Since then, she had come regularly. And Mrs. Darling, after many years, when war was broken, then Mrs. Darling visited Marga Minko's house, Mrs. S house, who was Marga Minko's mother. And after that, after renewing her old friendship, Mrs. Darling started visiting Mrs. S house or Marga Minko's house regularly, because she wanted to take her belongings, because she knew that Marga Minko and Marga Minko's mother would leave the place, and after leaving all their belongings there. That is why she wanted to take all their belongings. So she renewed her old friendship and started visiting the house regularly. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will explain next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.